Hi everyone and welcome back और if you are new here then hi and namaste, I'm Shreya and आज की वीडियो होने वाली है about 24 things I have been loving in 2024. I'm going to mention or talk about all the things that I've loved and this is going to be a mix of everything. थोड़ा fashion, थोड़ा skin care, कुछ gadgets and a lot of things. So I think ज़्यादा time waste नहीं करते हैं. Let's just begin. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is a food item. Food में ज़्यादा recommendations नहीं है मेरी surprisingly, but I have one thing that I'm really very obsessed with. This mention is for cup noodles. So I am just obsessed with cup noodles these days. अभी you can see मेरे पास right now at this moment I have 2 of these और मुझे इतने ज़्यादा पसंद है cup noodles. Like there is one specific type of cup noodle which I have been consuming so much कि मैं अभी भी खा के ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ. So I don't have it, to show in this video. It is called Veggie Manchow and that's really nice. I'm not like a Maggi fan or noodle fan in general, but for some reason I love cup noodles. मतलब मेरे को बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. So it's a new thing that I have developed. So I thought it is worth mentioning. So yeah, that's it. So that was it for food. Now we will move on to the next section. Now I'm going to talk about some gadgets जो मुझे बहुत ही पसंद है आजकल. So let's talk about the first thing that I'm already wearing and using. I'm talking about this very mic. Yeah. So I got this recently. It's from Portronics. This is how the box looks like और मैंने अभी तक इसे फेंका नहीं है क्योंकि I think it's been a month since I got it and it's really very helpful. Like मैंने इसको बस plug in किया अपने फ़ोन से and I'm wearing it here और मैं ऐसे normally भी इसको लेके घूम सकती हूँ and I can just record anything और पूरा जो पीछे का noise है वो cancel हो जाता है. Especially like if you are shooting in public or just in general to record your voiceovers. I always thought कि iPhone का mic is the best. An upgrade is always better. So this is really very helpful. इसका actual price है 1999 which is 2000 rupees. But I got it from Blinkit. And this was for 699 on Blinkit. So I think I got a great deal. So I'm just really very impressed with this purchase of mine. And if you want it, I will just put the link niche so you can go and check it out. The next gadget, oh my god, I'm obsessed with. So I love to cook. And when I cook, मैं full preparation के साथ खाना बनाती हूँ, okay? So I just always wanted to get an air fryer. And we got an air fryer this time. And इतनी बढ़िया चीजें बनाई है ना मैंने air fryer में, मतलब कैसे बताऊँ मैं? Yeah, I baked a cake air fryer में. I've made French fries. I've made पकोड़ास, nuggets, grilled fish, chicken, everything. हर चीज बना ली है मैंने air fryer में. I think like I don't need a gas stove now. I can like make everything with an air fryer, and it is literally the best purchase ever. And I just keep on looking for recipes. मैं देखती रहती हूँ कि और क्या बन सकता है. And trust me, it is so good. Like मुझे bake करने से डर लगता था, but now I am like such a pro at it. So the next thing that I have is a body massager. I've already mentioned this in one of my vlogs. So ये मैंने पापा को गिफ्ट किया था Father's Day पे, but I think उनसे ज़्यादा ये मैंने यूज़ कर लिया है. So it's really very nice and there are different इसके अलग-अलग heads होते हैं. There are 4 different types of settings. Like you actually feel really very relaxed. And हर एक body part के लिए there is a different setting. This is from Agaro and everyone, like जो भी मेरे घर आता है मैं सबको मसाज देती हूँ and they are really very impressed with it. Now everyone wants a body massager as a gift. Like yeah. So it is actually something that you can consider giving people and also to yourself. And for that you'll have to check the link. So the next thing that I have is another thing that I really wanted since ages. I'm not even kidding, like it was in my wish list, okay? मतलब ऐसे मेरे vision board में था. And I wanted a projector. And we got a projector this time during Diwali as a gift. And wow, like I think it is the best thing ever. So if you don't know, so there is a whole like white wall in my room and I get to use that projector because nobody really has space for the projector, but I do. So like it's like match made in heaven, and I can literally have movie nights, and whenever there is something new और कुछ भी अच्छा सा एपिसोड आया होता है, मूवी आई होती है, I get to watch everything on the projector, and it is literally the best thing ever. So wait, I'll show you. That's the projector. So you can get an idea. Also, I'm really very like glad because the projector quality is really nice. ऐसा pixelate नहीं होता है. It's very very clear. The sound quality is also nice. Or if you want like an upgrade, so you can obviously use a speaker, and it's really good. So you should get it. Okay, last thing in the gadget section is this speaker, and you can see like this speaker is always with me. Like it is literally always every day with me. ये बेसिकली मेरे भाई का था जो अब मैंने कब्जा कर लिया है. सो इट इज़ ऑफिशियली माइन. लाइक ये मैं पिछले 2-3 महीने से हर दिन यूज़ कर रही हूँ. Because I do Zumba and I dance, so I need something to play music, and this has been really very handy. And the battery life is like crazy. Like if I charge it today, तो ये मेरे को आराम से 1 हफ्ता भर चलेगा, which is just so good. You have to like charge it every day ना, तो बहुत मुश्किल होता है. So I love it. And another thing, it is, and also the sound quality is really very good. Like whenever I use it, whenever I like play the music, ऐसा लगता है कि I own this place because it is so loud, and that's exactly what you want. So the next thing that I have is this. Now you must be thinking कि ये क्या है, but ये है एक rubber band which looks like fake hair, and I think it is the best thing जो मैंने ली है, because this has helped me so much the whole year. I got this last year, और जब भी मेरे बाल oily लगते हैं, I know what to do. I just make a bun. Like I don't even bother to like wash my hair. I know it sounds disgusting, but this has really helped me. And I can show a few pictures कि मैंने अभी recently दुर्गा पूजा में भी ये किया था. The day I was wearing a sari, I couldn't just like do anything about my hair, so I just put it in a bun, and मैंने गजरा लगाया, and bro, it was looking amazing. Okay, you cannot figure it out कि I was having a bad hair day. Only like it was a secret with us. So I think this is something that you should definitely get, and yeah, and obviously the link will be in the description for that. So electronics are done. Now let's talk about the next category, जो है fashion finds. So now I'm going to list down certain things जो मैंने इस साल में बहुत ज़्यादा use करी हैं in terms of fashion. So it's going to be a mix of like accessories, even some clothing. सबसे पहले बात कर लेते हैं bags की. So there are 2 bags जो मैंने इस साल इतने ज़्यादा use करे हैं. So the first one is this one. And this is what it looks like. It's a black shoulder bag, and this is from Charles & Keith. I got this from Singapore when I recently went there, and it was my first ever international trip. And this is, I think, very special for this very reason. Whoever goes to Singapore goes to Charles & Keith because they have a wide variety there, and also the prices are extremely reasonable. This very same bag is also available in India, but इसका price double है. I don't remember कितने में मैंने लिया, but इसका price यहाँ पर double है. But still, it is so pretty, and I think if you want it, we'll definitely try to find the link, and I will share it in the description. And now that we are talking about bags, there is another bag. This is again a very cute sling bag, and you can see this is like white, off-white है थोड़ा color में, and this was a gift. This was given to me by my Jiju, and it was my birthday gift, and I am in love. So ये वाला बैग मैं सिंगापुर लेके गई थी, and you can see like I'm literally carrying it everywhere. सारी फोटोज में मैंने हर एक आउटफिट के साथ ये वाला बैग लिया हुआ है because it is so versatile, and I'm so glad like he gave it to me because I generally don't go for whites, but I think I really love it. It is so cute. और इसमें सारा सामान भी आ जाता है. The next thing that I have is a perfume, and this is the Date by Bella Vita. You can see, and it's very famous these days, और मैंने बहुत सुना था, so I just wanted to give it a try, and I really like it. You can see I like अभी तक इतना सारा product बचा हुआ है, so I'm very sensitive to like scents and perfumes, but I think this is perfect. बहुत ज़्यादा strong scent नहीं है, ऐसा scent नहीं है जिससे सर में दर्द हो, and also it's extremely affordable. Like I don't remember the price, but I'm sure this is definitely like less than 1000 rupees. Also look at the packaging, it's so pretty, and you get 100 ml of the product, which is pretty nice. So if you're interested and if you're looking for some nice affordable perfume, I think this is perfect for you. You'll find the link in the description. Okay, next up I have a pair of clothing that I think you must try, and this is a must have for everyone, I think. So this is a pair of cargo jeans. ये यहाँ पे नहीं समझ आ रहा, but I'll insert other clips. So you can see यहाँ पे इसमें बहुत सारे pockets है, and other than pockets, it's just flowy and it's like so breathable. I love the fabric. This is from a brand. It is a local brand. It's called Vestry or Vestry. I don't know, but this is the label. I got this from Iconic at Lajpat Nagar. This is one of those jeans जो मैं पहनती हूँ, and even if I like eat a lot after that, it just stretches. I don't have to like unbutton it, so you know, it's just perfect. Okay, so let's talk about the next thing. The next thing is something that I have been obsessed with. तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा हैंड ज्वेलरी से बहुत ज़्यादा obsessed हूँ आजकल, and I got like 2 watches this year. Both of them are like poles apart. So the first one I have is this one. This is the golden watch from Casio. It's very pretty. It is beautiful and I love it. मेरे को इतना सुंदर लगता है ये. Just look, like पूरा हाथ इतना खूबसूरत सा लगने लगता है just like after you wear it, and it looks very elegant. It's so dressy and also extremely versatile, and it is from their vintage series. In fact, I still have the box with me right now. This is what the box looks like. So this is the watch, and if you see closely, look at the dial. It is a digital watch. This is not like the proper वो जो ऐसे कांटे वाला वॉच होता है. दूर से इसको देख के ही लगता कि ये कोई डिजिटल वॉच है, बट सामने से इट इज. सो मुझे लगता है कि दिस इज द परफेक्ट ब्लेंड, एंड दिस इज वेरी इजीली अवेलेबल ऑन मिंत्रा. आई हैव सीन एंड इट्स जस्ट परफेक्ट. मैंने इसको फेस्टिव सीजन में भी बहुत पहना है क्योंकि ये हर एक आउटफिट के साथ जाता है. The next watch that I got, I recently got it during the festive season because मेरे को लगा था कि बहुत ज़्यादा गोल्ड हो रहा है. So this is the one watch that I got. This is from Sonata. ये मैंने Amazon से लिया था. This was around 800-900 rupees, and that's extremely affordable for a watch. Okay, just look at the dial, how pretty it is. It is blue. और मुझे तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. As I said कि this is a little dressy and ये ethnic wear पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है and gently भी. So I just wanted like one watch जो इतना dressy ना लगे and something जो मैं everyday wear पे भी लूँ. So most of the other watches that I have, they are also like gold toned, and I just wanted something in like थोड़ा silver tone में. So that's why I got this one, and look how cute it looks already. मैं इसको साथ में ऐसे bracelets वगैरह के साथ stack करती हूँ, तो मुझे बहुत ऐसे cool सा लगता है. So it's perfect. Okay, so let's talk about the next fashion find that I have, and I have a pair of heels. Yeah, so I have these transparent heels, and these are from Zara. अब मैं इन्हें नीचे रख रही हूँ because they are dirty. I need to clean them a little. Now it's a little dirty because मैंने इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है, and these are transparent heels, so it is very versatile. Like it goes with every look of mine. चाहे Indian हो या फिर like work wear हो या फिर generally भी, like if I'm just wearing like skirt and a top, it will go with it. And this was again a gift, but I love such thoughtful gifts. I really like genuinely love these heels और मैं इन्हें काफ़ी ज़्यादा पहनती हूँ. Obviously these are like proper high heels, so after like 3 to 4 hours it will be a little difficult, but other than that, like if you want it for like थोड़े time के लिए 1-2 घंटा, then it's good. It's really good. So the next thing that I have is an Amazon find, I would say, and I think it is the best thing I've bought on Amazon. मैंने Amazon से लिया था ये. So ये है hoop earrings का एक सेट जिसमें इतने सारे hoop earrings हैं, and I think मैंने उसके बाद से अब से पूरे साल भर hoop earrings खरीदे ही नहीं है because इसमें इतने सारे हैं, and there are like so many different shapes, different sizes, and you can see कि इसमें pearl earrings भी हैं, and कुछ silver है, कुछ gold है. In fact, this is one pair that I'm wearing right now. You can see. So this was all together. I'm not sure, but I think there were like 12 to 18 pieces, and all of the hoop earrings are like still with me. Whenever I have to go on a trip or anything, I have something from that whole set to wear, and I think it's the best purchase till date because hoop earrings anyways हर जगह हमेशा काम आते हैं, and also like if you have a set you are sorted for life. So again, if you want to make your life easy, okay guys, so let's talk about the last fashion find that I have. So इस बार मैंने देखा कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा obsessed हूँ claw clips से. So these are a few claw clips that I have, and just look at how pretty it looks. And this is the first one. Then I have another one. ये भी एक butterfly की तरह है. पता नहीं मेरे को थोड़ा obsession हो गया butterflies से. But all of these claw clips, firstly they look very fashionable. I think this is the other one. So I have another one. पता नहीं कहाँ खो गया, but I have one जिसमें से pearls लगी हुई हैं. I was never really into like claw clips, but I think this year I have just developed that. So but I have no issues because I think it's cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay guys, now let's talk about some beauty finds that I have. So I've been obsessed with the Rare Beauty blush. So this is the blush you can see, and ये total like pink, एकदम fuchsia pink color है, and you have to like apply बहुत ही थोड़ा सा because it's very very pigmented, and I don't like to put it a lot because I love the quantity. It is highly pigmented, and also like you can use it as a lipstick, as a blush, eyeshadow, everything. And I really love it. I got this even before it was launched in India, but now it's easily available here too, so you all can get it too, and the link will be in the description, so जाओ देख लो. Okay, so the next thing that I have is something that I think आपने हर एक makeup video में देखा होगा मेरे इस साल, and it is the Sugar foundation stick. I don't like to put a lot of things on my face in terms of like foundation and concealers and all of that, but मैंने ये दीदी की शादी के टाइम पे खरीदा था last year. This is the Ace of Face foundation stick in the shade 25 Macchiato. So if you're like close to my skin tone, this is the perfect shade for you. You can see this is what it looks like, and you get a brush with it. मतलब यहाँ पे brush है और यहाँ पर है हमारा foundation, and for a lazy person like me, I think it is the bestest thing ever, and I genuinely love this product. मतलब ये ख़त्म भी होगा तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं फिर से यही खरीदूँगी because it's actually like really very easy to use. So this is available on Nykaa definitely. So yeah. Now if you know me, you know my love for lipsticks. So I have this recommendation for you. This is the Zudio Lip Mousse. इसका कौन सा शेड है यार? This is in the shade Berry Kiss B01. So this is what it looks like, and I'm actually wearing this shade right now, and this is one thing that I can consider buying again. So yeah, अब मेकअप की बातें हो गई तो मेकअप हटाने की भी बात कर लेते हैं. So this is the Minimalist Gentle Cleanser with Hyaluronic Acid, Vitamin B5, and it's very nice. Like it is also good for people with sensitive skin. Thankfully, like I don't think my skin is very sensitive, but it is just a little dry. I've been using it since like almost 2-3 months now, and it's really nice. Like it's a good cleanser. When I recently got this, तो मैंने इसके साथ retinol भी लिया था. So that is again another like recommendation for this video. So if you see, this is the retinol. Minimalist skincare products are actually really very good. I have read about them और मैंने generally भी सुना है. There is absolutely no fragrance, which is just perfect क्योंकि किसी भी skincare product में, especially like if you're applying it to your face, there should not be any like scent to it because then it's artificial. And इनमें कोई भी scent नहीं है किसी भी चीज़ में, which is great. So this is what the retinol looks like. Retinol tends to like behave differently सबके faces पे. You should check. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप पे नहीं सूट कर रहा है, so don't apply it. Frequency थोड़ी कम कर दो. But it is said that it's very good for anti-aging. And I just wanted to like give it a try. I have been like trying to make a skincare routine. So I just wanted कि इसको भी try करना चाहिए. Okay, let's talk about the next thing. So I have this Be Body Wise underarm roll-on, and this is my second purchase. एक मैं use करके खत्म कर चुकी हूँ, and this is absolutely unsponsored. I wish कोई मुझे sponsor कर दे because I love this product. I want free supply of this, for life. And it is so good. Like बहुत ही mild सी fragrance है इसकी, and I think it kind of blends with your normal body का जो scent होता है I don't know if it makes any sense. I think this can be in one of those videos कि internet made me buy this. So actually I got influenced and bought this, but I'm really very happy क्योंकि ये काफ़ी अच्छा product है. And I have also seen कि थोड़ा सा जैसे pigmentation में भी it helps a little because I have been using it for good 3 months now. So now it's much better. So I can actually see the difference. Now last but not the least in this category is this wooden comb. So ये मैंने लिया था Amazon से and this was from Nat Habit. Yeah. So this is the neem wooden comb and I just wanted, जैसे मैं अपने स्किन केयर पे वर्क करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ वैसे ही मैं अपने हेयर केयर पे भी कोशिश कर रही हूँ. Firstly, I love the size. It is so like little and it's very handy. It can, you know, like fit into the bag again. And just in general, you can read the benefits of neem wooden comb. You will know why it's recommended and I think you should get it. So let's talk about the last category जिसमें ज़्यादा कुछ सामान है नहीं. I think there are just 2 products, but I think it deserves a special mention because it has a high impact on my life. So I thought कि इसको include करना चाहिए वीडियो में. So in the beginning of this year, I was like having a major issue in my back. Like it used to hurt so much. And उसके बाद मैंने कुछ changes करी हैं, कुछ चीज़ें use करी हैं जिनकी वजह से मुझे काफ़ी help मिली है. So the first thing that I have is this back support pillow. So if you're someone जिन्हें अपने डेस्क पे बैठे रहना पड़ता है for like hours and hours, I think this is something that you should get because even if right now अगर आपको कोई issues नहीं है, later on you will have issues because same happened to me. You can just put it on any chair, preferably जो लैपटॉप या जो कंप्यूटर वाला जो चेयर होता है उसके साथ ये perfectly fit हो जाता है, या फिर अगर प्लास्टिक का भी चेयर है उस पर बस ऐसे बकल लगा के आप आराम से यूज कर सकते हो. And it just, you know, tries to put your body into a better shape. It straightens your back. And in the end, I have this posture corrector. So ये भी मैंने एक vlog में पहले mention किया था. I got this from Mr. DIY. But ऐसे टाइप के और भी बहुत सारे products हैं जो Amazon या कहीं पे भी मिल जाते हैं. I just thought that I need a posture corrector because I was like used to sitting in the slouching position, and then in the end when you get up you feel that, you know, there is some inflammation or just pain होता है. So mindlessly आपका already body ऐसे हो जाता है. So that is something that is the worst thing you can do to yourself and your body. So that's why you should get a posture corrector and just, you know, like wear it. So even if you want to slouch, you can't slouch. So that was it for the video. मैंने इतनी सारी चीज़ें mention करी है, मैं खुद भूल गई हूँ कि कौन सा best है. And I know कि मैंने बहुत चीज़ों के लिए best बोला है. But to be very honest, these things are something that are like very dear to me. And that's why it is mentioned in this video. If you want links to anything, सबका link नीचे होगा जिसका भी मैं provide कर सकती हूँ. And other than that, I will see you in the next video. If you liked watching it, don't forget to actually like it. And bye bye.